If you want to enable second space or multi-user on the Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Additional Settings, and over here you will find the option of Users. Just tap on it, then enable Allow Multiple Users, and after you enable this option, you will find the option to Add User. Just tap on it. From here you can add a profile photo for the second user, and from here you can either capture a photo using the camera of your smartphone, or you can select a photo from the Gallery app. Just like that. And after you select the photo, then tap on Save Copy. After that, just tap on Name, and from here just create a name for the second user. For example, I will name it Second User. Then tap on OK. From here, just select Done. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to create the profile of the second user. And from here, you can give the second user the permission to the phone calls and the SMS. Just like that. Just enable the toggle and tap on OK. And as you can see, we have successfully created a profile for the second user. Now to open the second space which we have created, just tap on the profile which we have created and tap on Switch to Second User. From here, just select Set Up Now. From here, just wait for a few seconds, then tap on Continue. From here, just sign into the email account for the second user. For now, I will skip this step. Tap on Skip. From here, you can set the lock screen password for the second user. But for now, I will skip this step. Tap on More and tap on Accept. Select No Thanks. And as you can see, we have successfully entered into the second space or into the profile of the second user which we have created. And as you can see, all the apps which we have downloaded has been hidden. Now to switch back to the owner's profile, just tap on Switch over here, or you can open the Settings app. Then go to Additional Settings, and over here you will find the option of Users. Just tap on it. Now under the Users section, as you can see, this is the profile which we have created. Now to get out of this profile, just select Owner. Tap on Switch to Owner. And as you can see, we have successfully switched to the owner's profile. And this is how you can create second space on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.